What is good, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another freaking video. If you guys are new to the channel, man, it's Jinx Too Fast Jinx, you feel me? And today, in this video, y'all see, we're going to be adding some small things to the Z. If you guys are new to the channel, man, subscribe to the family, man. Join the family, the Too Fast family. Like the video if you did like it. And if you do like it and you want to show some support, like it, subscribe, and comment down below, what was your first mod to your car? Alright, y'all. Sorry, my hair is still messed up. I had to sweep the backyard. But the point is, so apparently somebody's broke enough to the point where they gotta steal fucking tire caps. So this is part of today's video. I swear to God, this thing is dirty. It's been sitting in the driveway. Someone's broke enough to steal. Like, bruh, I know I had all of them on. I always check them, so it can't even be the excuse that it was loose, fell off, that it didn't have one on. It had one on. First little part of today's video, we got these little black ones. They ain't not gonna look too different. I don't know if y'all can see the difference. These are the new ones, it's the old ones. Alright, y'all, that is done. That's that. Second order of business, I gotta give y'all a cold start. Because in the very first video when I gave you a cold start, it was already warm. So let's give y'all a real cold start. I know y'all, I'm gonna put the clip in the very first clip because it was weird, bro. Y'all seen someone put their underwear on my car and shit. And y'all seen the lights. Y'all seen them. I forgot to mention that in the very first video. These came with the lights like this. I did not switch them. Third order of business, y'all. I had this in the Honda. Pretty much, the LED lights. And I was going to add them in. I got to check to see. Oh, okay. Well, they work. They both work. Problem is my thing's back here. And I also don't want. I was going to like. Okay, let's go with this on this side. Pretty much I wanted to put it on the sides, y'all, like low-key, like a little. Y'all, I have a problem. One, I need something to stick them. The things are no longer sticky. So I gotta get something to stick them. Then we're gonna continue. It's getting dark, and I want to kind of finish this, so I'm gonna like hurry up and do it. And then I'll show y'all when it looks finished and shit. Because I ain't got enough light and I need my phone. So, 1 second. Yeah. This is what I gotta do to hold the super glue. And we're almost done. Y'all are gonna get to see the final product of this. And we'll drive around real quick and yeah. So, y'all, this is what it looks like on the inside. How the car looks from the inside, y'all. Not bad, I guess. I ain't gonna lie though. There is, like, the wire. It's kind of, like, sketch. I might try to redo this. But I did want to just get it for the video. And I will drive around like this for a while. Kind of don't care. Y'all, we got the Z, like, in style. I put the yellow. Let's see.
That was yellow, no?
That's red. Let's go with a green.
This is the same color that was on last time.
No, you're tripping. Definitely not. Y'all, comment down below if she's colorblind. But we got... Y'all, she's looking good, y'all. We got her looking all spicy and shit. Y'all, when we get to the car, you feel me? You can see inside. You want to open it real quick? Looks all lit up and shit now. I promise I will start filming outros. I'll make sure the outros, the video, and the intros. Said that backwards. Intros, the video, and the outros are all filmed in the same day. I'll make sure to start filming the outros. It's 4 a.m., bro. I'm exhausted. If you guys are new to the channel, man, join the family, the Too Fast family, you feel me? Subscribe, help us grow. Comment down below what y'all think of the lights. Happy New Year's. It's going to be a great year. Happy New Year, man. Like, Happy New Year. Let's have a great year. I hope y'all have a great year. I hope y'all get and work hard for whatever you guys want for this year. I'm going to be doing the same for this channel, the other channel, and then me and my life in general. And I do have a crazy idea. Hopefully we do enough with the channel sometime this year, and it's possible another car might be on the way, but it just depends. I don't know, but it depends. But I love y'all. I'll catch you on the next video, and I'm out.